Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to download Trust Wallet on your mobile and Windows computer device. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you about our website. We are developing a central hub for all things crypto. Here you can find more guides, discuss projects with like-minded individuals such as yourself on our forums, and keep up to date with the latest crypto developments to stay ahead in this fast-paced market. Now, on with the video. So I'm going to begin showing you how to download Trust Wallet on your Android device. It's possible to get Trust Wallet on your Apple device, however it's not very compatible. They had to remove the DApp feature about a year ago, I think it was. So I'll just be running through it today on your Android device and your Windows device, as they are the most compatible. So to begin, we're going to open the Play Store. We're going to search Trust Wallet. Should automatically come up. Click Trust Wallet. You're going to verify that it's the actual Trust Wallet. It will say verified by Play Protect. You can also tell it's the legit one by how many downloads, how many reviews. Do your own research, due diligence, make sure you're downloading the right one. You don't want to get scammed. Where mine says open, you will see download. Make sure you download that. Once it's downloaded, you can open it up and we'll be ready to move on to the next step. So in order to get Trust Wallet on your Windows computer device, we're going to start by searching Bluestacks. Go to bluestacks.com, download Bluestacks 10. You always want the most updated version. That's where all the security bug fixes are. Install. I've already installed this. It's got a quick update for me, so might as well download it now. Like I said, you always want to be downloading and updating to the latest version in any technology you're going to be using in this space. Security is paramount when it comes to this. The more secure you are, the less chance there is of someone stealing all your assets, all your life savings, all of that jazz. So we're going to wait for that to fully download and we'll come back once it's downloaded. And once you've installed Bluestacks, you're going to open it. It will make an icon on your desktop. You will open that and you'll be presented with this window. Find games, search Trust Wallet. I've already downloaded it. It will pop up for you. Some people have the issue of it not coming up here. If it doesn't come up here, you will search in Google Play and just follow the exact same steps I've just shown you in order to download it on the mobile version. Obviously Google Play is going to come up on your computer. It's exactly the same as the mobile version. Just follow them steps. You should have no trouble. You might have to type in your Google Play account, type that username and password in. This is very trusted, Bluestacks. It's an official company, so don't worry about them stealing your Google Play account. It's all done through Google. Like I said, no worries there. Just go ahead and download Trust Wallet and I'll come back once you've downloaded it. So once you've ran through the Trust Wallet installation, it will probably ask you to create an icon on your desktop. However, I opted not to do that. If you are like me and also opted to not do that, you can find Trust Wallet again by just searching it in the Bluestacks search bar. Trust Wallet is going to come up with a play button. That's how you know you've got it installed. Just click play. We'll maximise the window. It'll take a quick second to load. And there we have it. You now have Trust Wallet installed on your Windows computer device. If you are unsure or you are having trouble following any of the steps in this guide I have made today, please do not hesitate to visit our website and leave us a comment in the forums. You can message us through the chat down here or even just leave a comment through YouTube. We'll get back to you immediately. Like I said, we are the Hangover Club. Our intention is to bring newcomers easy guides, make investing in this space as easy as possible for everyone trying to invest in this space. So yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.